The start of a new year, a blank slate, a time when anything seems possible. A surge of hope as we set our sights on ambitious goals. We dream big, envisioning a better version of ourselves. We vow to lose weight, learn a new skill, or perhaps even master a new language. Some of us aim to finally write that book we've been thinking about for years. The air crackles with possibility. The dawn of a new year feels like the perfect time to start fresh. But as the weeks turn into months, that initial enthusiasm often wanes. Reality sets in. The gym membership goes unused, gathering dust. The language learning app sits untouched, a reminder of our unfulfilled promises. The blank page remains a daunting abyss, mocking our creative ambitions. The goals we set with such conviction start to feel like distant dreams, slipping further away with each passing day. Why do so many New Year's resolutions crumble before spring arrives? What goes wrong? The problem isn't a lack of willpower or discipline. It's not that we don't want it badly enough. It lies in our approach. We often set lofty goals without a clear, actionable plan. We focus on the destination, the goal, without creating a clear path to get there. We overlook the journey. We pin our hopes on willpower, a finite resource that easily falters in the face of temptation and distraction. It's not enough. This is where the concept of systems comes in, offering a more sustainable and empowering approach to change. By focusing on small, consistent actions, we can build habits that lead to lasting transformation. Imagine training for a marathon. You wouldn't just lace up your shoes and run 26.2 miles on the first day. You'd follow a training plan, gradually increasing your mileage and building endurance over time. This is the essence of a system, a set of repeatable processes and habits that guide you towards your desired outcome. While goals focus on the finish line, systems focus on the journey. They provide the structure and support you need to make progress, even when motivation wanes. Instead of fixating on losing 20 pounds, a system-oriented approach would involve establishing healthy eating habits and incorporating regular exercise into your routine. The focus shifts from the endpoint to the daily actions that contribute to long-term well-being. Goal-oriented thinking isn't inherently bad. In fact, it can be incredibly beneficial when used correctly. Goals provide direction and can be powerful motivators, pushing us to achieve things we might not have thought possible. However, an over-reliance on goals without a solid system in place can lead to several pitfalls. It's important to recognize these potential downsides. Firstly, goals often create a sense of pressure and urgency. This can be overwhelming and counterproductive. We can become so fixated on reaching the finish line that we fail to appreciate the journey. The beauty of the process is often lost. This can lead to burnout, frustration, and a sense of failure if we don't achieve our goals within a specific time frame. The pressure can be immense. Secondly, goals can be limiting. They can narrow our focus and prevent us from seeing other opportunities. Once achieved, they can leave us feeling lost and unsure of what to strive for next. This can be disorienting and unsettling. This can create a cycle of setting and achieving goals without ever feeling truly fulfilled. The constant chase can be exhausting. Lastly, goals can foster an all-or-nothing mentality. This mindset can be very damaging. We may feel like we've failed if we don't achieve our goals perfectly, leading us to give up altogether. This can be very discouraging. This black-and-white thinking can be detrimental to our motivation and self-esteem. It's crucial to find a balance and appreciate the progress we make along the way. System-oriented thinking, on the other hand, offers a more sustainable and empowering approach to personal growth. By focusing on building consistent habits and routines, we shift our attention away from the pressure of achieving specific outcomes. Systems are inherently flexible. They can be adapted and adjusted as needed, allowing us to navigate challenges and setbacks without derailing our progress. This adaptability fosters resilience and a growth mindset, encouraging us to view setbacks as opportunities for learning and improvement. Moreover, systems foster intrinsic motivation. As we experience the satisfaction of making progress through consistent effort, we cultivate a sense of self-efficacy and empowerment. This intrinsic motivation is far more sustainable than the fleeting motivation derived from external rewards or pressures. Building your own system, a step-by-step guide. Building effective systems doesn't require complex formulas or rigid methodologies. It's a process that can be tailored to fit your unique lifestyle and preferences. It's about identifying your core values and goals, then breaking them down into manageable daily actions. This approach ensures that your daily efforts are aligned with your long-term vision. Here's a simple framework to get you started, a step-by-step guide that will help you build a system that works for you. 1. Identify your core values and goals. This is the foundation of your system. What truly matters to you? Take some time to reflect on your priorities and what you want to achieve in life. What kind of person do you want to become? Envision your future self and the qualities you want to embody. Your systems should align with your values and support your long-term aspirations. This alignment will keep you motivated and focused. 2. Break down goals into smaller habits. This makes your goals more achievable and less overwhelming. Once you have a clear vision, break down your goals into smaller, more manageable habits. This step is crucial for maintaining momentum. Instead of aiming to write a book, start with a daily writing goal of 500 words. This small, consistent effort will add up over time. 3. Establish clear triggers and routines. These will help you build consistency and make your new habits stick. Identify specific cues that will trigger your desired behaviors. For example, schedule a specific time for your daily writing session and create a dedicated workspace. This will signal to your brain that it's time to focus and get to work. 4. Track your progress and make adjustments. Monitoring your progress will help you stay on track and make necessary changes. Regularly review your progress and make adjustments as needed. Celebrate your successes and view setbacks as learning opportunities. Be patient with yourself and focus on consistency over perfection. Remember, building a system is a journey, not a destination. By following these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating a system that supports your goals and helps you achieve your dreams. Remember, the key is to start small and build gradually. Over time, these small changes will lead to significant results. Stay committed, stay focused, and most importantly, enjoy the process of building a system that works for you. With patience and persistence, you'll find that your efforts will pay off, leading to a more organized and fulfilling life. Systems in action: real-world applications. The principles of system-oriented thinking can be applied to virtually any area of life. Here are a few examples. Writing a book. Instead of focusing on the daunting task of writing a complete manuscript, break it down into daily writing goals. Establish a consistent writing schedule and create a dedicated workspace to minimize distractions. Learning a new language. Integrate language learning into your daily routine. Listen to podcasts while commuting. Practice speaking with a language partner, or use language learning apps during your downtime. Starting a new business. Develop a system for generating ideas, testing your hypotheses, and iterating on your product or service. Focus on building relationships, establishing a strong online presence, and providing exceptional customer service. The journey is the reward, finding joy in the process. As you shift your focus from goals to systems, remember that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process of growth and learning, and find joy in the daily pursuit of your passions. Cultivate a sense of curiosity and wonder. Experiment with different approaches, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. Embrace failure as a natural part of the learning process, and view setbacks as opportunities for growth and refinement. Remember that lasting change is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient with yourself, celebrate your progress, and never underestimate the power of consistent small steps taken over time. A call to action. Embark on your journey of lasting change. The power to create lasting change lies within you. By embracing a system-oriented approach, you can break free from the limitations of goal-oriented thinking and unlock your full potential. Start by identifying your core values and aspirations. Then, break down your goals into smaller, more manageable habits. Establish clear triggers and routines to support your desired behaviors, and track your progress to stay motivated. Remember that the journey itself is just as important as the destination. Embrace the process of growth and learning, and find joy in the pursuit of your passions. The world is full of possibilities. Go forth and create the life you've always envisioned.